have an unboxing for you today. I'm very excited about it because I have been looking for a bag like this for a while now. Haven't been able to find one, and then this popped up. So I'll tell you how I found it and where I got it and what it costs, and we'll unbox it and see if it's any good and see if it's worth it. Oh, and there are actually 2 bags in here. Hi YouTube, Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about luxury living on a budget, from high-end luxury handbags to the everyday luxuries of life. If that sounds interesting to you, please make sure that you subscribe, click the bell notification icon to be notified when I post new videos, and be sure to like the videos that you enjoy. I want to start out, of course, by saying that I hope that you and your loved ones are still doing well, and I wish you all the very best during this coronavirus crisis. Okay, let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. Like I said, there are 2 bags, one of which I have been looking for something like it for a while. So it is from a company called Caroline Hill. They're out of Georgia, and I found them through a Facebook ad that they put out that had a photo of this bag that I'm opening, the larger one, the one that I've been looking for, which they have in several different prints, and I'll tell you why I picked this one. What else do I want to say about it? I wouldn't have known about the company unless I saw this Facebook ad. A lot of people were commenting, so it seems like something a lot of people would be interested in. I think some of you will be interested in it for sure. So let's just dig in. I'd never heard of this brand before. I don't know what kind of quality to expect. The smaller bag, the first one that I'm going to show you, was only $10. But that's because it was on clearance. So no idea about the quality of it, but I figured, hey, for $10 it was cute. If I don't end up liking it, I can give it away. This is nice. It looks like it's packaged well. I was actually expecting that this would come in a bag because of the price point. It's, with the one bag being, gosh, I'm knocking over everything on my desk. With the one bag being only $10, the other bag was $72. Not bad at all. I'm gonna cover my address here and show you the invoice. So you can see the 2 bags and the prices up there. And they even hand wrote a little note here, which is such a nice touch. This is nice. This is a lot nicer than I was expecting so far. Let me show you this. So you see they've put some tissue paper and a custom sticker. It makes it feel more luxurious for sure. Better than just being shipped in one of those plastic bags where things get crushed and bent. So it's not wrapped in the tissue paper, it's just sitting on top, but still that's a nice touch. It's very pretty, I think. Good so far. I got a little peek of the big bag that I was looking at. And like I said, not knowing what to expect on the quality. And I was also concerned about the color. This, the little peek I'm getting, gorgeous. Much better than I even thought it would be. Okay, let me take out the smaller bag first. And actually, I'll just hold this up and show you how it's packaged. So here it is. They're both wrapped in plastic and paper and look quite nice here. I think I need to put this on the floor. Very happy so far. I feel like these are turning out better than I expected. This is the bag that was only $10 on clearance. So it's a garden party dupe in leopard, super cute. Let me unwrap it. All right, here it is. It has the little Caroline Hill tag. And of course I will link this website below so you can go check it out if you're interested. And it has the tag on the back. It says $10. This was in either the sales section or the clearance section on their website. The leopard, let's see if you can see, it's like a micro suede. It's soft and a little fuzzy. It's pretty, I like the colors. It has black trim. It has little hooks here on each side for a shoulder strap, which I'm sure is inside the bag. It has snaps on either end, so you can expand the bag like that. And then let's open it up. There's a snap closing it on the top. They have it stuffed, nice. The shoulder strap is attached inside with a little piece of plastic, so let me cut that. All right, the inside of the bag, it has a zipped pocket back here. And then on the other side, there's one large slip pocket, and it's a fabric interior. And hold that up so you can get a nice view of the inside. And this is 12 inches across the base, about 8.5 inches high this way, not including the handles. And then the strap drop is about 4 to 4.5 inches. I don't think the Hermes Garden Party has any pockets on the inside, so it's nice to have this. It's really cute. Oh, and the bottom, no feet. Unwrap the strap. So the strap is black leather. Well, it's not real leather, and the leather on the bag is not real leather. It's not an adjustable strap, it's one length. And there are the clasps. Let me measure the strap length for you. I'll measure from the inside of the clasp to the other end. That's 44 inches. I'm not sure if this bag will still be available if you go to buy it, but maybe you'll get lucky. They also had a gray one, but it was sold out when, it was a gray leopard, and it was sold out when I got to the site. And I'll attach the strap and show you how it looks with the shoulder strap on it. The Hermes Garden Party does not have a shoulder strap. I think it's always a good addition when you have a shoulder strap. So there is how the shoulder strap looks. I'd say that's a good buy for $10. Now let's see the other bag. This is it here, all wrapped in plastic. You get the plastic off. Okay, first glance at this bag, and then I'll take the plastic off the handles too. Let me just give you a little spin. So it is a dupe for the Louis Vuitton On The Go tote, and it has the same shape as that bag, but of course a different pattern. It doesn't have anything that looks like the Louis Vuitton pattern. No feet on the bottom. I'm not 100% sure that this is the colorway that I ordered, but the one I ordered I was afraid would be too like pastel and bright, and this is more neutral and I really, really like it. It says on the tag that the color is snake denim, so I'll find this on the website and link it below so you know exactly which one this is. And let me get the plastic off the handles and everything, and then I'm going to talk to you a little bit about this and why I chose this particular colorway, because there was another style that I would recommend not getting, and I'll tell you why. Okay, now it's completely unwrapped. I have to say I'm very, very impressed with this so far. At this price point, the quality could be really, really terrible, but this seems very well done. It is, again, not a real leather, certainly not real snakeskin, so you don't have to worry about the lifting of the scales, but it has the look of the snakeskin, and it also has the texture. I don't know if that's coming across at all on the screen, but it does have the texture, so it feels kind of like snakeskin when you rub your hands over it. Yeah. Okay, now I said there was a style of this bag that I would not recommend getting. If you go on their website and look, they have quite a few different patterns, and the style that I would not get is the ones that don't have, they have a different pattern on the side, so like they're a solid color pleather, so they'd have a pattern on the front and back, but it would just be a solid color on the side. Those to me looked cheaper, just not as luxe as this, so that's why I would recommend not getting that. And it seems like the leather in the photos that I saw on the website, it looked more wavy. You could, because it was a solid color and it was a smooth pleather, you could see sort of flaws more easily. Let's go over the details on this bag. Okay, start with the handles here. It has glazing around the edge, and then these handles, glazing around there. It has these little things, fasteners. I don't know what the purpose of those are, if they're just decorative. They don't have a functional purpose other than, I guess, holding the corners together. The Louis Vuitton On The Go tote has that same thing, and it has that on all 4 corners here. The end of the bag looks like this. So once the bag is completely open and full, it is completely rectangular. It doesn't taper in on the top or anything. Same on the front and back, completely rectangular. I need to give you measurements on this too. And then there's the bottom. Let me get the measurements while I'm thinking of it. It's 16 inches across the bottom, which comes out to 41 centimeters. So 16 inches here, 41 centimeters. And you'll know I have the Coach Field Tote, which is the same size as this bag. I love it, and I wanted to get some other colorways, so that's why I was looking for something like this. This is 13 inches tall which came out to 34 centimeters tall. And then it's 6 inches deep, which comes out to about 16 centimeters. Now let me show you the inside, because that's part of what is impressing me about this bag. First of all, you have the snap closures on the tabs like that, which is really pretty. And then I think you also just saw a sneak peek that it has these shoulder straps, just like on the on-the-go tote. And those will fold inside the bag if you don't want to use them. So they're not in your way and they're not hanging on the outside of the bag looking weird. So that's what it looks like inside. It has this fabric lining, and then on the zipper there it has the snake skin, or the faux snake skin continued. And it's a little hard to tell, but on the tab right there it does say Caroline Hill. And I'll unzip this for you. I will say it does have a little bit of that plasticky, chemical-y smell, but it's kind of mild and it'll go away in a few days. Okay, there's the pocket. That's maybe about 5 inches deep or so. And I'm gonna go grab the organizer from my Coach field tote and put it in here. I'm sure it'll fit, but let's see. Okay, this is my organizer from Clover Sack. That fits perfectly, and that finally allows me to hold the bag up and show it to you where it looks more structured and it's not kind of falling in on itself because the flap was folded over in shipping. It's really beautiful. It's not too heavy. It does have some weight to it, but it's not ridiculous. And here is how the organizer looks inside. It's a really good color match, as it happens. I also wanted to point out, if you are using the shoulder straps, that these hand straps, the handles, they don't seem to fold down all the way. They're sticking out a little bit, but they're not stiff. So if you're carrying it on your shoulder against your body, it's not going to be poking you. Well, I have to say I am super impressed with this. So if you go to that website, and I'll link this in the description below, they have these totes under 2 different names. One is the Marci and one is the Rainy, and I'll spell that below for you. Some are in different pleathers like this, they're different prints, and some are more of a woven where they look like a straw bag on the front, but then they have the pleather sides. There's quite a variety, so if you have been thinking about one of these bags or thinking about an on-the-go tote, but you didn't want to spend, what are they, $3,000 or so for them, here's your chance to get one for $72, and it's really lovely. Let me know what kind of videos you'd like to see on this bag, a comparison between this and the field tote maybe, or a what fits, pretty much anything is gonna fit, or just a review after I've used it for a while. Not sure when I'll be able to start using it, because I don't know how long we're gonna be stuck at home during this quarantine isolation thing. Maybe styling it with outfits. I'm not great at that sort of thing, but I'm okay at it. I could make it happen. I'm very happy with this. I'm so excited that it turned out better than I was expecting it to. And that makes me think I need to add Caroline Hill to my list of places I shop regularly, or at least window shop regularly. And I really like all the extra touches. Again, I hope you're doing well, and I'll see you back here again next time. Thanks again for watching this video, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye.